Today I'm gonna show you interesting, easy to make, elegant looking kebab. We're gonna make ekmek kebabı. Kebab in a beautiful bread. Okay, for the stuffing I have 500 grams cubed beef. Try to choose the soft part of the meat if you can. Mine is from the freezer, so it took time a little bit to soften, and then I continued to saute until it is almost completely soft. Be careful, you might need to add more water just halfway and continue to cook until it is soft and the water is evaporated. The bread dough comes out very soft and delicious, perfect match with the filling. I have mixed soft milk and water at room temperature, kind of lukewarm, adding teaspoon of dry yeast and 2 teaspoons of sugar. I added 1 egg white into the dough, and the yolk will be for the egg wash. Also, first add 3 cups of flour and a teaspoon of salt. I increased and while kneading the dough, in total I added 1 +4 of a cup of mix of milk and water, and also at the final stage added about a tablespoon of soft butter. The dough should be very soft, still playable. Turn it into a bowl. Cover and let it rise until it is doubled, or for 20-30 minutes. My meat is completely soft now. I can add the vegetables, slicing 1 medium-sized onion. As you can see, the water is evaporated too. Going to saute the onions first, and then we'll add a couple of green peppers, mild, and red peppers. I normally use sweet kapya peppers. I will add some from the freezer as well, but this is the hot pepper I had, so wanted to use half of it to give some spiciness. Dicing 1 tomato that is peeled and adding to my mixture. Then also going to add some tomato and pepper paste. I usually open some well, let them steam and cook for a while the paste, and then mix everything together. And finally I decided to add some mushrooms, again from the freezer that I had. It's optional but gives beautiful aroma as well. Some salt, black pepper, drizzled some water, and let them cook all the way until the vegetables are soft. My dough is soft and risen well, just sprinkling enough flour, not much, and going to cut them into 6 portions. We are 3 persons at house, so I'm gonna cook the half of it and keep the rest of the dough and the half of the filling to bake the next day. Now to shape it, it's very easy using a bowl, medium size. Just roll out the dough, sprinkling enough flour, and place the dough inside the bowl. It shouldn't be too thin or thick. Then place from the filling I used around 3 tablespoons, close to. That was enough for us for one person. Then seal from the sides, bringing them to the top, and pinch the leftover dough and cut with a scissor. We're gonna use the leftover dough to decorate the top. Well, with the half of the dough, I was able to do the second time the next day, and the second time I experimented using a smaller bowl, and it went more perfectly while shaping. Try to pinch as much as you can securely and then cut the rest. And with the rest of the dough we cut with the scissor, you make a long stick, as you can see, like making simit. Cut from the end to make the tiny bit of the dough. And what we are trying to do is actually to make a lid. But even though I tried to stretch as much as I can, it comes back to become smaller. So try to make it even longer than or wider than you think it will be enough. Because also when it rises and bakes, it tends to come shorter. And then the tiny bit goes to the center. Then I egg washed, just drizzled some milk over my egg yolk and sprinkled some nigella seeds, and it goes to bake in the air fryer in my case, because I have only 3 of them, at 180 degrees for about 17 minutes. Meanwhile, I quickly prepared some seasonal salad with some lettuce, grated carrots, and the pickles that I made earlier, and I have shared the recipe. They came out beautiful, crispy, and gives a lot of flavor also to the salads. And here are bread kebabs ready, perfectly baked, looks beautiful, and ready to serve right away. I think you can understand from the video how soft the dough is, the bread, and it's really delicious with the filling together. And this is our lid. I still cannot hold from the holder, but it was okay. See the steam, beautiful, elegant, and so easy to make. Well, my friends, here it is. Ekmek kebabı. It was fun to make, very easy and beautiful, elegant service. You can also make it with chicken, turkey, or try with sauteed chickpeas would be nice too, I believe. If I would make this for a gathering, I would also serve pilau, but today I'm gonna serve it with big bowl of salad. I also have a beautiful red lentil soup at home, so I'm gonna serve that too, and we will have our elegant dinner. Don't forget to check my other recipes similar to these kebabs. I have lots of them. I appreciate your likes, comments, and shares to continue to share different recipes and travel vlogs with you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye. It looks beautiful, perfectly baked, the bread. The inside is already cooked well, so nothing to worry about. And the bread looks really soft too. I'm eager to try. Let's try.